What was number
Oh,
11?
yes.
Shopping.
Shopping,
Okay,
right? Yes, shopping.
I'm not even on Facebook.
Okay, so pharmacia.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. And actually, I double checked. Pharmacist is not pharmacista. It's
Okay.
farmaceutico. Or- Yeah. And they are big. Like, you know, buying shoes is good. It's a good deal usually in Spanish. Okay, so this one might be a bit tricky. Hair.
Caballo.
So that is a word for hair because
Carne de vaca.
carne de vaca or ternera, yeah. Markets are very popular for selling meat, including this stuff, but there's one that you might go to visit new to a town. That's one, or a smaller but more kind of, just a market.